Now that our create wave is created, we already have detail and we already have the list view. The next one, what we want is the update view. So let's get back to our code here. And I'm going to close all of this stuff. Okay, let's go to notes and go to views.py. And what we want next is the update view. So we're going to say update view. Let's save that. And right before the create view here, we are going to create a new class. Okay, and we're going to call this as notes update view. Okay, that inherits from update view. And the model you want to specify here is notes, and then we need to specify the success URL. So I'm going to set that to the same thing what we already gave. Okay, and then we want to specify the form class. I'm going to use the same form class which I used before. Just paste it over here. Okay, so now we need to update the urls.py. So let's get back to the notes urls.py here, and after the detail weave over here, we're just going to, after the detail weave over here, so I'm just going to duplicate that because we need the private key there. Okay, so I'm just going to add edit, and I'm going to change this name to notes update view. Okay, I'm going to set the name here to notes.update. Save that. Now you can go to the notes form, which is over here, and then we can actually start working with this one. So the first thing what we will have to do here is we need to get rid of this URL, because if I click on that new node, it's not gonna, if I click on this update node, we don't want to send the details to a new node, so we need to keep it blank. Django is powerful enough to understand where it needs to send all this data. So just save that. Okay, and the next thing is that we need to change that validation which we added. So I'm going to go to this forms.py, and we have this validation here. So the first thing what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to disable this. Okay, so I'm going to disable that. So let's get back here, and we're going to go to notes. Okay, and then we're going to click on weave node, then we're going to say edit. So as you can see that we have all the details. Okay, first node, so I'm just going to call this as this is my first node. Okay, so see if that updates. I'm going to hit on submit button. Great, it got updated. This is my first node.